알지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 that's me.
Woo! Dude, this is what fucking belongs, bro!
I feel so numb. 무슨 표정을 지어야 할지 어떤 기분이 들어야 할지 모든 감각이 멈비.
Alright, so we're about to go ahead and do the first listen to B.I.'s album, his first full album, Waterfall. Now, a few things before we get into the first listen. Obviously, y'all know we checked out B.I.'s Illa Illa today, and it was so nice. If you want to go check my reaction, go ahead. But we're gonna do the first listen right now, and I do want to say a couple things. Obviously, y'all know the issue with my throat. So if I have to, I'll react to as many songs as I can right now, then react to others on another day and see how many I can get through, and eventually just put them all together into one video. So if you don't see this day of or soon, it's probably because I did that or because it just took me too long to edit. Another thing is that normally I go with iTunes, or not iTunes, whoa, Spotify because of the sus lyric videos, but I've decided to because I miss watching lyric videos and like reading lyrics and stuff like that. Even though they're not always 100% accurate and they could be better translations, I'm going to use lyric videos, but the ones that I know are probably sus or I can tell are a bit questionable, I'm going to use ad block. That's kind of like what I did, and then just do my proper streaming myself on different platforms or whatever the case may be. So I just want to let y'all know that because I've done that with a couple videos recently because like I don't fuck with the sus lyric videos. But I do want to check out this album, I do want to read the lyrics, so let's check it out. One more quick warning. Unfortunately, I had an issue with TXT. That could just be a Big Hit thing. Big Hit does it, SM does it, JYP does it. But they did block my reaction. So in the case that that would happen, I'm going to end up uploading the first listen the same way I did TXT. So you can go check out that one and see what I did there. But essentially, it's how I've been doing Kingdom. So if you've been watching my Kingdom reactions, it's going to be that one. I'm going to cut out the song portion, put it somewhere else, but the whole video is going to be here. It'll be like a pause screen. You go to the comment, click the link, and you go listen to the first listen. Then you can come back and leave comments here if you want. That's just in case it gets blocked. I did put my light stick away just because I don't have battery, so I couldn't hold it. It's the feeling, but it's not the same feeling without the light. I don't know why. So I just put it down and put batteries to charge. If I get it midway through, remember to go get the batteries midway through and pick up my light stick again. But we are gonna start with Waterfall, which is the first song on the album. Actually, it's actually on the album before Illa Illa, right? Hold on. It's gonna come up on this side. Oops, I opened Photoshop. I did not mean to do that. Okay, no, it isn't. So Waterfall is actually the first one, and then it is Illa Illa. And after that, it's Daydream, featuring Me High. Oh wait, there were features. Hold on, I haven't seen who it is. Tableau. Oh shit. We're in for it. Hold on. I'm ready. Alright, so Waterfall is first, and we are gonna go with the live film he did. This is what I meant. He also dropped a performance video for it, but I have not seen either. Okay, I've not seen any of them. I don't know. There are lyrics I haven't turned on.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain. 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain, 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 공을 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있게 하늘에 빌어보내. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고
Dude, this beat.
담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내 바다를 담은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
Oh shit, the bass was coming off. Yeah, dude, all heat. Ooh.
내 이름은 쓰레기 어리석은 내 다 받아들여 알지 무슨 핑계가 나대 What's my name, what's my name, what I am 물이 되어 흘러가는 흐름대로 살아가려 해 무너진 그 단어 속에 숨겨진 깊이를 이해하니 새로운 미래가 그려지
Ooh, this beat!
가다듬고 사라지는 것들의 미련을 전부 놔야지 이야기에 거쳐버린 관념 화면 속의 존재는 통해서 목적없이 사고 냉수한잔 마시고 정신 똑바로 차려 실은 역시 관대해서 나를 다시 살려 Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
Sky. He sat there and wrote this shit like with so much on the mind that people can't get to.
생이 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 다가왔던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 고멜맹이 비어 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가지 벌어진과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me.
This was the beat in the teaser that we watched, right? This was it. Hold on, there was a line there that I wanted to go back and listen to. There's times in the stinging gaze, my screaming voice and stuff, you know. Emotions tangled like messy hair. I should comb it out and move on. Waterfall that begins with falling down. Oh, fuck, man. This is technically how he started the album. It's even released before Ella. He started it like this, bro. Ooh, do we? We might. We might as well, although the longer I sit here and react to videos, the more my throat disagrees with it. So, oh, I got a yawn. My cake, hold on. Oh, my bad.
내 이름은 grammar, 내 이름은 dream, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain. 빌어먹을 재능, 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain, 이 인생은 새노 끝이 없는 고민, 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 요인. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘을 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 것.
Dude, I don't think you understand how heavy, how dirty this instrumental feels. Oh, he feeling himself too.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속
everything clear the head, there's times in the stinging gaze.
내 목소리 고멜맹이 비움 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me.
Woo! Dude, this is where he fucking belongs, bro! Oh, fuck, the dancers are killing it too. Filmed by Mother. So that's the confirmation I needed. Dude, watching that performance reminds me of seeing him in the practice studio, dude. Seeing all, that's just, memories. Right now, the song right after Ella Ella is Daydream featuring Ehi, and I don't know if this was known before the release today, publicly, but I hadn't seen anything. All I'd seen is every time they teased the songs that had features, they had question marks. So anything that has potentially revealed this or the Tableau one, I hadn't know until this very moment when I saw it earlier on Spotify. So let's check this out. The favor has been reciprocated, bro. I love it. I love it. El Jefe and the Queen. Oh. Oh, she sounds so good. Water.
시선 끝에 서 그곳에 너는 슬퍼 보였는데 왜일까 떠나만 하는 나를 알고 있었나.
Oh my god. Like he's rapping, he's like melodic rapping.
희미한 기억이 끝자락고 띵갈거리던 기가 남아있는 손등에 물기를 엎질러 아직 숨이 거칠어.
There's a lot of like water references in the song so far, all three. Not necessarily a lot from the first two, but like there's like sprinkles of that on this one as well. Wow, she sounds so good. I wish it was. Like almost a nightmare. It just feels good now. Understand the meaning of parting.
우리가 주고받던 수많은 질문과 대답 시시콜콜한 농담 뒤에 이어질 웃음소리까지 그걸 어떻게 가슴에 묻어.
How can you what? How can you bury that in your heart even though the last... Wait, what was the line before that? I think I peeped down at my phone and threw me off. You sob every night answering a lot of questions and answers that we exchanged in the tomb of memory. You sob every night answering a lot of questions and answers that we exchanged in the tomb of memory. So I like the way he's like structured this with the instrumental. He's burying the heart and the laughter will follow after. I'm sorry, I have to pay attention to something. That's why I have to keep checking my phone. But the chorus is fine for me to check it. I heard it like 3 times already. I'm so glad he went to rehab. Fever of you. On a dream or a sign or a thirst for you that was lonely. This song is a very like make you think, very like. It was all a dream, all a dream, all a dream. Oh, dude, I'm telling you, bro, this album, it's like knowing Hanbin, bro. You know it can go. You know there will be no wrong on it at all. Like you know everything will flow smoothly. Alright, so the next song is Numb.
I feel so numb.
Oh.
Yeah. I feel so numb. Yeah.
I can't wait till my album gets out. I want to buy it. I forget what's in it.
사람이었지 외로움 가득한 얼굴에 물감을 덧칠한 사람이었지 사라져간 내 모든 기억 속에서 난 살아있었지 안정감의 부재 아마 그게 내 감정들의 사인이겠지 거울속 남자의 거울에 보면 이범단 말이 세상을 너무도 요란하니 타인의 절망이 열광하니 누가 보는 평범하기만 이 새벽은 너무도 적막하니 스스로 자신을 속박하니 이유도 모른 채 불안하니 모든 게 적당하게 요즘은 딱히 재미난 일도 예민할 일도 없고 그냥 조용한 방 안에서 떠드는 TV와 둘이 있고 싶어 점점 더 무뎌지네 나 사는 세상만 추워지네 태어난 척하던 내 얼굴 일그러지네 I feel so 무슨 표정을 지어야 할지 어떤 기분이 들어야 할지 모든 감각이 마비된 듯이 기억이
Oh my god, bro.
I feel so numb
I'm not sad, I'm not happy, I'm not tired of it, I'm not just numb. Not sad, not happy, not tired of it, not just numb. That's Listen, yo, this is gonna be a lot of me just like reading those lyrics, dude. This is why I've been waiting for this. I don't know what to look like or how to feel. Dude, I would like if people actually took the time to read these lyrics, yo, it'd be like, wow. Oh shit, my bass, relax. Sadness and so far, it feels like all these songs could have MVs too. That's like the best part. The thing is that they do have like films, but you haven't seen them because they stayed away. Those feelings of just like feeling nothing, like it honestly like feels like things have happened. You should feel a certain way, but you kind of just like feel nothing, dude. That's exactly what these lyrics are like about. And like it's always gonna be like brought back to like, yo, obviously we know what he's been through, at least what's been public that we know he's been through. And as fans, we've been through it, like watching him from the outside looking in and supporting everything he's done since everything happened. So, like based on what we know, that's public knowledge, right? We know he's been through a lot. Who knows what else he's been through himself to write lyrics like this, where he feels nothing. Alright, so next song is Illusion. I still didn't get up and get water. I should have. Ooh, this one should have more dreamy feeling. Ooh, I'm liking this instrumental so far. I'm telling you, he carried the water and like references to like water, waves, waterfall throughout all the songs so far. Speak it. Life itself is a fantasy. Give me that crown. I'm a fan of becoming a king. Oh, my king. How do you do the crowns? I bestow it on your head, bro. I don't know how to do it, but there it goes, bro. There it goes. Wear that shit. You've been wearing it. I started at the bottom. Hold on, you threw me off. Return. Yakriti is a fantasy thing. Wow. As long as there's like a good translation, bro, it seems like a shot. Like just that, like people like my mediocrity is a fantasy for you. Like you like to see me not be as good as I can be. I really gotta go get water. Your dandelion is flying in the MV4 thing. feel like we all knew that. Anybody that knows him knows it's gonna be a good album. It's nice, bro. It took a turn too, like in the main verse. I thought he might actually like sing on it a bit dreamy, but the instrumental started off very dreamlike. That being said, he also mentioned dreams in here too, and the instrumental matched it. The mind that is Kim Hanbin, B.I. Alright, so next is Flow Away, and let me lower my volume just to ease back into raising it up because I've actually been away for like half an hour. I hadn't had breakfast yet. It was like 12. I had breakfast and I have never seen that picture, have I? Dude, this is very, looks like a somber feeling to it. Oh. Finally got water too. Breakfast and get water.
Life is short, 갓길이 멀어. 일단 내 기억에 쌓인 먼지부터 털어. 멈춰있는 시간 다시 태우고 감아 살아야 하는 이유로 낙서처럼 끄집어. 언제부터나 내가 망가지게 된 건 욕심에 눈이 멀고 시선에 목을 걸어 열등감에 헛떡이며 신기로 쫓아다니는 놈이 나를 갉아먹게 했어. 우습게 본 거지 마음만 앞선다고 될 일이 아니었으니 꼬여있는 정신 무엇 위에 그 많은 밤을 세워야 했는지 그 답을 찾기 전까지는 돌아갈 수 없지. 특별할 것 없는 사람이었을 뿐 가면 속에 가려놨던 수만가지 슬픔 이제는 도망치지 않고 마주해야 해. 각자 같은 내 껍질들 벗겨내야 돼. Flow away, away, away. Flow away, away, away.
Like his lyrics are deep. Well, I just realized it's like his hand. And the glove makes it look like his bone.
Flow away, away.
I've never seen this picture.
Yeah, yeah. 누구든 적, 누구든 병, 어차피 영원한 건 존재하지 않는데 자꾸만 선을 그어놓고 조금씩 쌓아올린 병 그 안에 나를 무릎시켜 머리엔 병, 마음엔 뭐 억지로 막게 무릎시켜 전부 무의미한 바람씨 청춘이었다고 남겨지기에는 잃은 게 너무 많아 우린 배울 필요 있어 진짜 중요한 게 뭔지 치열한 속이 잊고 있던 여유 같은 거 말야 다들 조심해야 해 악마가 손을 내밀 땐 인생이 담보라는 것을 인지해야 돼 그늘 속의 감정이 점점 잠식되기 전에 웃어야 할 땐 분명히 웃어놔야 해내 지난 나를 돌이켜보면 불완전해야만 완전해지는 그림 한 품 전부 후회라고 부르기엔 영원했으면 하는 순간도 많았거든 That's why I'm moving on flow away away away
Oh man.
Flow away away away
The lyrics they just hit, dude.
Flow away away away
This truly is his story, bro. Like this whole album.
매일을 부딪히고 투쟁 차라리 학교가 나았어 현실은 하루하루가 숙제 보이는 게 다가는 세상 저마다 다른 각자 사연들의 깊이와 무게 내려놓은 만큼 가벼워진다는 걸 전부 엎지르고 나서야 깨달았어 다시 맞춰봐야지 어긋난 톱니바퀴들 저기 별이 된 이들에겐 축복이 닿기를
Album is very like connect with me, you know. Kind of like what, like from his perspective, right? It's a lot of, like I said, like it's the outside looking in, but this album makes it feel like he's sharing what wasn't public almost, you know. Alright, so next one is Help Me.
I'm a liar.
Oh. Oh wow.
Set me on fire. 내가 누군지 기억이 안 나. 우리 내 싶지 않아. Have you ever feeling like 숨 마시는 기분 하루 끝에 잠이 들 때쯤에 너 취한 싫음 별일 없냐는 질문 별일 없다고 대답 아무 일도 없는데 왜 울적할까 그거는 오늘도 감정 노동해 내 맘대로 되는 일이 하나 없네 속이 텅빈 껍데기 작은 불씨에도 다 들어가는 나는 쉽게 부서지는 재 같아 민밤 소년은 외로워
Lines I don't want to live, I don't want to die, but I don't want to live. That shit just like stuck in my head. Oh, this song is getting me in my feels, hold on. You ever found yourself in like a dark place? Bro, this song hits. It's real, you know? And just like that, oh, that's crazy. Damn, it ends just like that. See, like, you honestly, like, because obviously we're told like that this is gonna be like stories, like essentially a story of like what he's dealt with, right? And you never know from the outside looking in. Everybody like they put on like this smile, especially like I look at it in the world of K-pop. You got people like always smiling, like idols always smiling and stuff like that. You never know how people really feel. And then you get someone like Bi to come out and be like real with people and put out lyrics like this, and like is he the only one to do this? No, like there's people put out real lyrics like that as well, but obviously us having like this connection with him doing this, we feel it more so, the connection with him and the stuff we've like seen him go through. You just never know how people really feel, you know, because I saw a title called Help Me and I thought about like someone like in a dark place like wanting help. I didn't think he was gonna go this serious like that. That whole line, I'm telling you, that line's like really sticking with me. Like, cause I have found myself in a dark place. That's why I found like K-pop and K-pop kind of. I've said it before, like how K-pop like flips shit for me. But the whole I don't want to live, I don't want to die, but I also don't want to live. Like I want to. Like I want to. Like, it's almost like I want to live, but I don't want to live. I want to live. I don't want to live. I don't want to die, but I don't want to live. Oh man. Alright, so next is Remember Me, and I was gonna say that I wonder it was gonna be the same one from like Midnight Blue and stuff, but I accidentally did not pause right away, and it's not the same. I heard it like the first second, and I was like, nope, it's not the same song. How you put this like fun song right after a song like that, dude?
너의 기억 속에서조차 사라지게 되면 난 이 세상에 없을 거야. 역겹겠지만 날 잊지 그때는 내 뜻했던 우리니까 지독한 사람으로 너의 과거에 남아서 난 부서지듯 아플 거야. 후회했니? 나를 만난 걸 땅을 치고 후회했니?
Absolutely not.
내 예쁘라면서 도로를 주행했니? 밖에 메이크업 저거 충동 구매했니? 야, 내가 그렇게 밉냐? 잘 생각해봐. 행복한 순간들이 더 많았잖아. 너는 어떨지 모르겠지만 나한테 네가 온 세상이고 중심이었단 말야.
See, yo, bro, he just wants to get us.
그래도 사랑했던 사이니까.
This is targeted. It's targeted.
사라지게 되면 난 이 세상에 없을 거야. 역겹겠지만 날 잊지는 마. 그때는 내 뜻했던 우리니까 지독한 사람으로 너의 과
missed. It was like a change in lyrics there. I think it was a change. The second half, I didn't remember it.
It's like 이월보다 줬던 너의 눈빛을 심장이 떨리는 소리 점점 담력이 없이 너의 그 고운 입에서 그러심한 말이 나올 때 망치로 맞은 듯했어 뒤통수
Wish I knew those things he was saying in the background there.
날리지는 마 그래도 사랑했던 사이니까 너의 기억 속에서조차 사라지게 되면 난 이 세상에 없을 거야 역겹겠지만 날리지는 마 한때는 애틋했던 우리니까
It's such a nice vibe coming like right after the homie.
너의 과거에 남아서 난 부서지듯 아플 거야 너 아니면 누가 기억하겠어 너의 옆에서 행복했던 나를
His singing voice doing so nice.
그래도 사랑했던 사이니까 너의 기억 속에서조차 사라지게 되면 난 이 세상에 없을 거야 아니면 누가 기억하겠어 너의 옆에서 행복했던 나를
But don't forget me. I don't know if that's a like perfect translation. This is such a thoroughly thought through album. Alright, so next is Stay featuring Tableau. And obviously we know that B.I. was on Acceptance Speech with Epic High. And it has like, again, it's like almost like the repaying of the favor almost, you know? Feels nice. It was E High first and now it's Tableau. Oh. Ooh.
이제 나의 발걸음은 어디로 가야 할지 모르겠어 머리가 어지러워 특히 뭐 쓰러질 것 같아 마치 도미노 외로움을 호소하다 보면 날이 저물어 정이 떨어진 거 알아 마음이 멀어진 거 알아 틈이 벌어진 거 알아 그래도 혼자 두지 마라 나를 혼자 두지 마라 작은 바람에도 흔들리고 있는 촛불 하나 같은 마음이야 아직은 견디기가 힘든 밤이야 어쩌면 오늘이 네가 본 마지막 내 모습일 수도 있으니까 I want you to stay, want you to stay, want you to stay
Oh.
I want you to stay, want you to stay, want you to stay 오늘따라 가로만 당장 내가 사라질지도 모르니까 내 옆에 stay 어질러진 방 안에는 침묵으로 가득해 꼬리를 올려본 게 언제인지 아득해 알 수 없는 그리움과 알기 쉬운 고독함에 공존하는 내 심장 색깔은 짙은 보라색 자주 궁금해서 답을 갈구해 우울함에 대해 뭐가 이렇게 까지 나를 공지로 몰아넣는지 지치게 하는 지난 나를 보라는 듯이 나 원래 눈물이 많아 그걸 토할 듯이 참아 내 속엔 그늘이 많아 살며시 눈을 감아 I want you to stay, want you to stay, want you to stay I want you to stay, want you to stay, want you to stay 오늘따라 가로만 당장 내가
Dude, this is nice.
사라질지도 모르니까
I don't know what Tableau's verse gonna be like.
Yeah, you've had enough, you keep setting up. Guess our connection was bad, we keep breaking up. Now you're crying in my arms cause you're so done with it. Pounding on my chest cause my heart's not in it, I know. Ain't no love infinite, don't mean to whine, I'll put a cork in it. But let me pour my heart out for the last time. If you gotta go, leave it all behind. Leave your comb, leave your toothbrush, leave your bathrobe, leave your books, leave your Polaroids, send the candles. Leave your pain, worries and your regrets, baby, let them stay. Like you never went away, I'm already missing you, missing us, and in here somewhere I'll go missing too, straight disappear into thin air. So can't you just
I want you to stay, want you to stay, want you to stay
Wow, his was like very,
want you to stay
almost like talking to someone else. Like a significant other.
stay 까만 밤이나 삼킬지도 모르니까 하루만 평생처럼 같이 있자 웃음소리 광처럼
It's crazy because this reminds us, it almost be like a partnered song with like Help Me, you know? Like Not My Swallow Me.
하루만 평생처럼 같이 있자 웃음소리 광처럼 들리지만 지금 내 곁에 stay.
Cause it gives me like it almost feels like like why am I blanking? I just had it in my like one of those like a suicide prevention kind of song, you know, like one of those songs like that you play for that, you know. That's what I felt, especially after hearing "Help Me" and the lyrics and "Help Me." That's exactly what Stay felt like. Alright, so Gray is next. Let me know if you got that same feeling from that song too. Cause that could just be me latching onto the obviously like the feelings that like Help Me brought forward. Oh, sorry, King, apreciado.
이 넓은 하늘 아래 나를 혼자만 남겨뒀을까 내 하늘은 비온 뒤에 내 꾸준 먹음에 심수를 bring 가슴 팍을 외로운 공기에 한숨을 bring 비온 뒤에
That sounds like the raindrops. Dude, it feels like the song is like acknowledging the cloudiness, but also like why are you praying for me? I hope the translations are as good as they can be. Yawning. Why'd you say it? Why'd you say it? Why'd you do that to me? Why'd you do that? Like it almost gives a feeling of like, why are you doing this? But also, why aren't you? You know? This album is very comforting, dude. Like, that's the thing. Like, this album is very comforting. This spot has been an empty spot you've been. Never been filled. So nice, dude. The album feels like so comforting. Like it has reality checks. It has. It's so nice, dude. Alright, and the last song is called Then because there is another song, but it's Rebirth, which we already checked out. So, Then is the last song. I am so glad this man is back to making music, man. Hey, this is exactly the vibes I've expected to feel when I'm gonna release an album.
살아야겠지 너는 곁에 없지만 아니 곁에 없던 건 내가 먼저였었나 애써 참아야겠지 많이 눈물 겪지만
Wait.
내 모든 말이
This was a thingy, a demo. This was a demo. Yep, this was the first demo. This was the first demo we ever reacted to that he dropped. Let's go back. This one didn't. This isn't the one that was called. Cause there was one that was called Back Then. But now it has a title. Did it have a title this whole time? Am I blanking? I don't think it did. I realized the lyrics immediately.
살아야겠지 너는 곁에 없지만 아니 곁에 없던 건 내가
I think the hook played in the teaser we reacted to.
내 모든 말이 핑계겠지만 결국 상처 주고 싶은 마음은 없었던 거야 너무 어렸던 거야 내겐 어렵던 거야 사랑이 사는 이란 게 그냥 하고
Oh my god, it's nice having a beat to it.
평생 동안 내가 사랑을 몰랐던 사는 동안 우리 다시 만나면
Yo, us who've been here this whole time, we feel this shit, yo. I'll be loyal then. I'll be loyal
어긴 꿈에서 깨어나고 덕분에 사는 것 같았다고 그 말을 건네주지 못했네 끝까지 모지게 됐네 이놈의 이별은 대체 익숙해지지가 않네 끝이야 내 길을 밝게 난 너를 꼭
This is the one that hit, yo. Oof, where he's flowing on that. Right up we don't want to.
평생 동안 내가 사랑을 몰랐던 사는 동안 우리 다시 만나면 그때 내가 꼭 우리 지킬게
Honestly, he technically ends the album with Rebirth, but this feels like the end of the album for me, you know?
깊은 어둠에 닫힌 맘 내 하늘에 해가 뜰까 그냥 바람이 되어볼까 매일 슬픈 꿈을 꾼다 상실 속에 춤을 춘다 누가 빛이 되어줄까 너는 손을 내어줄까 평생 동안 내가 사랑을 몰랐던 사는 동안 우리 다시
Yeah, you think he'd go more for the end. This is the part that played in the teaser. This is what played in the teaser. See, this album is exactly what we wanted it to be and more, bro. It's exactly what we wanted when he came back and he delivered, and we expected nothing less. Before the thought goes away, I just want to say it now. Like, I was thinking, like, I wonder if he'd go on tour, obviously once everything changes up. If he'd go on tour, and hopefully he stops in New York if he does go on tour, because I want to see it in New York. You know what I mean? I missed my opportunity to see Icon when they were in Texas. I forget what the event was called. It was S something, SSX or SXS, something like that. They were at an event in New York, and I didn't get the chance to go, unfortunately. Well, even if I had the chance, I don't like planes, and I never planned a train trip. So I missed my move when they were in Cali. But this album is like, what I was saying is like, obviously this album, it just feels so comforting. It takes you on a trip. Obviously, it was like said that this was like a story, like his story. But it's like a trip that's relatable, you know? It's like, you can relate to something that one of the songs is about, if not multiple or all the songs. Related to yourself in a way, maybe someone you know. Like, these are like, every song has a meaning to it. It's not like party jams, you know? Some of them you can like turn up to, you know? Like, it has that vibe, they vibe like that. But you listen to the lyrics, they're like some real ass lyrics, you know? And I expected nothing less coming from B.I., of all people. I'm really hoping people check out his album. I was seeing it this morning. I love seeing how good both Monster X and VTB and MBI were doing this morning. I saw that he was doing really well. Hopefully my album gets here sometime this week. I highly doubt it. Because I think it did say it ships on the 2nd. It's the first still for me. Oh, but it could have meant the 2nd for South Korea. It could have meant that, and that is exactly what it is right now. Regardless though, obviously, we are immensely proud as a fandom, as ID, as iconic of Hanbin, also of X on the other end. But right now, this is about Hanbin BI, and he has triumphed over an attempt to bury him. For what? For what, bro? He's just being him. Got his own company, did his own thing, and he's not afraid to wear that crown. He's not afraid to like wear a crown. He's not afraid of becoming a king. But little did he know that he been one. He been one. I love this.
잘 있어 아프지 말고 밥 꼭 챙겨 먹어 잘 있어 나와의 기억 전부 지워버려 나 먼저 갈게 추억이 무거워 버겁긴 하겠지만 잘 있어 점 때문에